I'm going to show you exactly how to make Christmas cards in Canva using free tools that you can either print at home or send digitally to your friends and family. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to customize text, add festive elements, and export your design in the right format for printing or sharing online. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, log into your Canva account. In the search bar at the top, type in Christmas card. Canva will then show you a wide selection of ready-made templates that you can instantly start with. Once you've found a design you like, click on the button that says Customize this template. This will open up the Canva editor where you can begin personalizing your design. Double-click on the text box to replace the names or greetings with your own heartfelt message. If you want to add or remove elements, simply click on them and press Delete on your keyboard. To make your design feel more festive, go to the Elements tab on the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Christmas, and you'll see a collection of illustrations, icons, and graphics such as snowflakes, trees, and ornaments. Drag and drop any of these onto your canvas to decorate your card. Once you're happy with how your card looks, click on Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. If you want to send it digitally, select PDF Standard. But if you plan to print it, select PDF Print for the best possible quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now created your own Christmas card in Canva. It is simple, customizable, and perfect for spreading holiday cheer with your loved ones. If you would like to learn even more Canva tricks, check out our free 20-minute masterclass for beginners where we go step by step through all the basics. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.